Jackpot report. Different. Jackpot report. Different.
Another pickpocket alert in Florence, Italy. Please share. After a long summer break, a notorious pair of pickpockets has resurfaced in Florence, Italy, including the same woman who was found months ago inside a clothing store. They were spotted again near Florence metro station, and when they recognized the anti-pickpocket activists, recording them immediately. One of the women immediately became aggressive, trying to stop him from exposing their tactics before running off. These groups often moves in packs of 7 or more, targeting distracted tourists in the city center. Florence is still one of the most beautiful cities in the world, but daily thefts are ruining the experience for visitors and locals. Stay alert, hold your bags tight, don't get distracted. A simple share can protect someone's trip or even their wallet. Atensyon pickpocket! Atensyon pickpocket! Atensyon pickpocket! Atensyon pickpocket! Atensyon pickpocket! Once again, the Florence Pickpocket Zoo is back and louder than ever. The same woman exposed months ago spotted the anti-pickpocket hunt Florence and instantly attacked him the moment she realized she was being filmed. Then she ran for her life. These groups move in packs of 7 to 8, sweeping. Once again, the Florence Pickpocket Zoo is back and louder than ever. The same woman exposed months ago spotted the anti-pickpocket hunter near the station and instantly attacked him the moment she realized she was being filmed. Then she ran for her life. These groups moves in packs of 7 to 8, sweeping through Florence beautiful center every single day. Stunning city ruined by non-stop pickpocketing. Stay alert, stay safe, and stay vigilant. Atensyon pickpocket! Atensyon pickpocket! Atensyon pickpocket! Atensyon pickpocket!